I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. Yes, I am excited. We at Alpha Import Group, we're giving away a Samsung Flip 4. All you have to do is refer 10 customers to sign up. When they sign up, you ensure that they complete their profile. That's to include like their government ID and stuff like that. After that, you yourself have to ensure that you're an active customer before the promotion announced date. If you are, then you are on your way to winning a Samsung Flip 4. Next thing, you must be a Platinum member to take part. The phone is exactly as seen in the link. It is locked to a mobile network in the United States. It comes with 128 gigs of memory. It does not have an earphone jack, nor does it have a charger. Now, getting all of those if you need them, it's your responsibility. Unlocking, getting earphones, getting charger, that's your responsibility. The lucky person has to be prepared to do a delivery video with us. So when our delivery team take your prize to you, we're asking that you unpack, receive and unpack so everyone can see how lucky you are. Now, good luck to everyone out there.
Wait, there's more. Just a quick reminder. When the person that you refer fills out their profile, they should send us a message to say that you referred them. The promo starts today, October 13th, and ends November 15th, the day of the drawing. But as a bonus, we're giving a second place winner a cash prize of $15,000 cash, and a third place winner $10,000 cash. And by the way, we included a phone case for the phone as seen in the video. So go refer. Good luck.